The structural steel for the frame of the new building will start to be installed very soon, inshallah. The next step of Masjid Al-Farooq's Phase 2 construction is the installation of the blocks for the walls of the new building, inshallah. Please contribute to our Lay Your Own Blocks campaign. We need over 23,000 blocks. Each block is only $30 per block. Please go to our homepage, masjidfarooq.com, and click the yellow Donate Blocks for Walls button, and then follow the instructions.